JPY. Okay, but I need to try and invite someone as well. So GBP JPY, we have level 1, then we have level 2 as well. We're currently trading at level 2, so obviously as I usually mention, according to the BTMM strategy, we expect to see at least 3 levels of rise or 3 levels of drop before the market can actually reverse. So just like here, this scenario here, we had our peak formation low. Let me just do this real quick. Over here we had our peak formation low, and from this point onwards, price chose a pin at the this is probably the 200 EMA, the light blue, and the dark blue line is the 800 EMA moving average, for all of those of you that don't know. So we had our first level of rise, then we had our second level of rise, and then our third level of rise. And as I mentioned, after every 3 levels of rise or drop, price seems to reverse, and sometimes it reverses to the other side, sometimes it gives us a reset, just like in this scenario right here. As you can see, price came all the way down here and gave us a reset. Let me just put red somewhere over here. Hold on real quick, just put red. So price came down somewhere over here, and it ended up giving us a reset. So price having given us a reset, we can see that we had our first level of rise somewhere over here. This was our first level of rise, and then currently over here we had our second level of rise. So given that price has been rising, the next thing that we should do is go to the smaller time frame. So also let me just mark the days for you guys, starting from Monday. So usually I don't like to trade on Fridays much, because the movement is going to be crazy. Not to mention that we should be expecting NFP on the upcoming week. So it's a week that I usually don't like to trade, given that if we have NFP, most often price will be acting up. Most often the markets become more and more like unpredictable. Yo, man, like Humphrey, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, bro. So I'm just doing a quick breakdown on GBP JPY.
Let me check.
Yeah, what's your point of view on GBP JPY? So whilst you're checking, I'm just gonna be explaining as well. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let me just mark as well Thursday, and obviously Friday to end the week. So again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today it's Friday. So as you can see, we are coming from the downside. We have our W formation over here, and we had our first level of rise. This is why we actually boxed in this whole area right here. And then secondly, we had our second level of rise as well over here. Let me just zoom in for all of you guys that cannot see it. So given that we are now on our second level of rise, what we are looking for is essentially a stop hand low or some sort of rejection, like the one that it has been painting currently, like this, and then so that we can go to the upside, which is something that they usually do a lot. Especially, let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. If I go to the 15 minutes time frame, I'm pretty sure most of you guys will be able to understand what I'm talking about. So over here, the dark black box, that's the Asian session box. So we usually don't execute trades on the Asian session, given that we don't really have much volume during the Asian session. This is the reason why we don't execute trades on the Asian session. So what we look to see is for price to give us some sort of like rejection after the Asian session, or fake move. Yeah, fake move is a pretty good concept. Like over here, they gave us a fake move. What we're looking for them to give us a fake move, and they are currently giving us a fake move. And by extension, they are basically like inducing different traders to take sell trades to the downside before they can go to the upside. So obviously we have these traders that use the basic strategy, like the normal strategy that 90% of other traders are using, which is price action, which is the breakout strategies. So what they do is they essentially make this fake move right after the Asian session, like they induce price to the downside. After inducing price to the downside, most traders will be like, it's selling, it's selling. So most of you guys end up entering the trade based on emotion or whatever. And then the next thing is this, they snatch price away from you guys, heading the other way around. So as you can see over here, after the Asian session, they are making a fake move to the downside. So essentially what we want to see is for price to come maybe at the, this is a 200 EMA, the light blue line over here. Essentially I would like price to come somewhere over here, like to the light blue line or whatever, touch, and then price reject, so that we can continue like to the upside. So this is essentially what I'll be looking for. Let me try and invite you again, bro. I don't know if it's the network that's bad. Yeah, let me just try and invite you again. Yep. So yeah, so essentially what we would like to see is for price to come somewhere down here, give us some sort of rejection, and then maybe we can take like something like a buy sell. Our first TP being at the daily open line, and then our second TP essentially being at the weekly high. But realistically speaking, it's always better to just put our first TP on the daily open line with a tight stop loss. It's always better. It's always better to do that. So let's see. So how many of you guys into trading? Okay, let me just see the whole breakdown. Let me see, man. Have you tried trading robots before? Yeah, I do have a trading bot as well that basically trades automatically for you, from buying, selling. Yeah, mine is pretty good. Mine is pretty good because I'll actually share you a link to one of my Telegram channels where most of the bot users are usually at. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's actually trading right now. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, I cannot show charts right now. How does it work? So the bot basically trades automatically for you. All you do is just install it to your trading account. So after installing it to your trading account, the bot starts trading. It makes somewhere around like 10 to 15% return, sometimes more on a monthly basis, depending on how the chart like is behaving within that specific month. And the only thing you need is to have at least $500 like dollars or something of that sort on your trading account for the system to work. Yeah, we'll be in touch, bro. If you need it, just let me know. I'll just give you can get like something like 3 or 6 months free access. I will just give you for free so that you can test it out yourself. And if you like it, you can also recommend it to your other friends and family. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a trader. Yeah. What's your daily what? Sorry, hold on real quick. Hold on real quick. I just need to make this wide. So if you are a daily trader, your daily profit will be it depends, bro. It depends on the account size. Like I told you, I made the bot in a way that is conservative, more like it's designed to be more like a long-term investment. That's why I say like per month it makes you like 10 or 15% of your capital, sometimes more actually than that, because I've had some clients that have made up to like 25% on the, no, that's not US 30. Yeah, the minimum deposit on it is like $500 or something of that sort. That's the minimum because it needs enough margin to trade, and it's currently trading on currencies, Euro USD and all of that as well. No, that's not US 30, that's GBP JPY. That's GBP JPY. So currently what we are doing is we are waiting for GBP JPY to come down to, if you can see the EMA, like the light blue, we're waiting for GBP JPY to come down to that area and like reject that area, and then maybe we can take a buy, if only if it rejects, because if it doesn't reject, we are not going to take any trade. That's one thing that actually most traders they fail to do. US 100. Yep, so a quick update on our GBP JPY trade. Obviously, as you can see, price was playing somewhere around down this area over here, came to the EMA as we had predicted, and price rejected. So obviously our TP1 is somewhere around this area here, and then we're gonna have our TP2. So I did create, let me actually do this real quick for you guys. As you can see right now, this is what we had predicted. This candle over here came, touched the EMA, and went up. As you can see here on MetaTrader, I think I need to adjust a bit the EMA here and make it, okay, let me just do this real quick for you guys, so that next time we may know what's going on. Okay, so as you can see, the EMA came, touched here, and we ended up entering at the close of the EMA, and we are already up on this specific trade. I don't know if I can share my camera with you guys. We were actually up 1,000 something already, but currently, yeah, we were actually up 1,000 something, but currently it went back because of the pullback, which means we are up about 600 something. So I think I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait because our TP1 is somewhere over here and our TP2 is here. So I want price to reach potentially the daily open line, which is over here, and maybe perhaps more. But yeah, this is our TP1 over here. And also updates, I did create a new Telegram channel where I'm already back testing, and I'm already testing the accuracy of my trades. And as you can see, so far we've been very profitable. On my own, I've been profitable, but it's been a while since I did this whole like shared my trades with a lot of people. So I've been doing this for about 2 weeks now, and we can already see we in profit, and there's more wins than losses. This is today's trade. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be, actually let me transition it for you guys real quick so I can show you. As you can see, this is the channel. This is the channel which I created. So far I'm going to be adding you guys. So far what I was doing was I was back testing and I was checking the accuracy of my trades. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sharing this with you guys, and I'm going to be giving you guys more and more trading signals like these ones. So for all of those of you guys who are interested in joining, if you have at least a minimum starting capital of at least $500 that you can fund on your trading account or something, you can either get the signals or you can get the trading bot, which I have. I do have a trading bot which is pretty profitable, and that one, with the trading bot, you don't have to stress about opening trades or anything of that sort, unlike the signal where you sometimes may miss the trades given that you may not be on your phone or you may be doing something else. So the choice is yours. Yeah, so this is it. On GBP JPY, will still continuing to reach high side, but our TP1 is about to hit, and since I actually opened 2 trades when TP1 hits, I'm probably gonna close. It's now 700 something, rather around the 1K already. When TP1 closes, I'm going to hold the other 2 trades and move my stop loss, so that even if something happens and price actually decides to reverse, we may still exit the trade in profit, because right now my trade is already in break even already, and it's good. It was a good GBP trade. I took it whilst we were live, and if you want to benefit from the upcoming live, I analyze this trade live as well. You can join my Telegram channel, and I'm pretty sure I left my Instagram also linked below. And you can also get in touch with me. I'll also share some more information with you guys and some of the other things that can actually be really beneficial for you guys as well. So this is it for today's episode. For now, actually, I'm gonna be updating you, or if not, I'll just upload it like this, given if I get the time or not to update you later on. So this is it, guys.